कशें दिसलें तुमकां आयज एमएस अटेंड करून एक्सपोजिशन कशें
No,
आशिल्लें?
I really upset. Though I am so old, 84, I came 5, 6 times for mass, and I got always chance. Nobody, I had not to stay in the queue. Only twice, only for 20 minutes, and other I went by this bogey and all. And everybody, though I wanted to walk, they told no, you're not supposed to go by. First day, even Father Falcao saw me. No, no, you're not supposed to go in the land. And he told, no, you got that side. Everybody. Another time, I thought, no, no, you don't go. I went like
Where are you
that.
from?
I am now staying Kurka. Staying Kurka.
Okay.
Then really, I really, all the volunteers, they were so good, so good. They was accompanying me. I was, and maybe Father Falcon also I know. He was, and all please, in fact, so tiredness, so really, I cannot imagine because 2001 or 14, I don't remember it, I don't know how, but this time really was wonderful. God will bless you all for the
Thank you.
all.
Your good name?
Huh?
Your good name?
Huh? Adia Luisa de Souza.
गेली आणि कशें दिसता आयज एमएस अटेंड करून? कशें
एकदम बरें दिसलें.
आणि कितले फावटी तुमी पावले हांगा?
आमी 3 पावटी पावले.
3 फावटी पावले.
हय
आयज तुमगे लास्ट मेस अटेंड करून
हय
कशें कितें एक बरें दिसता?
बरें दिसता.
Germany.
Yes,
So when you reached Goa?
3 days before.
Okay, so how's your feeling?
Oh, it was very nice here. I mean, it was well organized, everything, and the ceremony now with the procession was really good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
beatified him. Blessings such as conversions, healings and solutions to their problems after praying to Saint Francis Xavier. Dear friends, I call upon each one of you now to mentally say your prayers. Francis Xavier enters the gate to the back door.
Dear friends, this is a very special moment. On behalf of the Archdiocese of Goa,
and seize this moment and join together in singing Xavier.
Solemn, It's a fantastic event. It's beautiful to spend time in Old Goa. And the last words of the bishop is the most powerful words that I felt for the day. What next? And that's the hope. The best part of this journey is the direction that all of us are pilgrims. We are on a journey, and there is a hope. There is a way forward. There is. It may appear very dark and sometimes pessimistic, but hope is something that keeps us alive. And I think looking forward for the next exposition to be greater than this. I don't know how technology will change 10 years forward, and we will definitely be into our next plane, and lots of good things, not only through infrastructure but through people's relationship. That's where hope always brings us together. Hope doesn't have boundary. Hope is something that we look forward for good, we look forward for great, and that is where excellence that St. Francis Xavier, in fact, communicates us to us. It's not a heritage, it's something that is in making. And this is where St. Francis Xavier has been always an inspiration. It has been a journey in the making. And that's why we are pilgrims. In Konkani, we call it in a nice word called Yatrekar. I think we are on a big pilgrimage. And this journey makes us meet people, discover things, and share things with joy. Father Feroz Fernandez. I am belonging to the Pilar Fathers. I am from Diwar. But right now I am based in London.
हांव फादर रोझारियो ओलिवेरा से कॅथेड्रलाचो पादविगार. ही आख्खी 40 आनी 5 दिसांची आमची एक्सपोजिशनाची यात्रा आयज आमी सोंपयता तेन्ना खूब खोस भोगता. 2 वर्सां आदीं ओदिकूच आमकां बिस्पान नोमियारलोले ही यात्रा करूं एक्सपोजिशन करूंक. आमी जायतो तोकूस घेवन फादर हेनरी फाल्कांव हाच्या फुडारीपणा खाल वावुरल्या आनी आमच्या कॅथेड्रलांत आमचे इगोर्जेंत ती 40 आनी 5 दीस भाग्यवंत फ्रांसीस शावेराची कूड उरली. थंयसर सेक्युरिटी आनी दुसरी वेवस्था करूंक आमकां जरूय थोडी कास्तीक त्रास पडले, पूण जायतो सहकार मेळ्ळो गव्हर्मेंटा वाटेन, सेक्युरिटी पुलिसां वाटेन, तशेंच वॉलंटियर्स जायते वावुरल्यात. रातचे पासून पुलिसूय आसताले, आमचेय लोक आसतालो फॉर सेक्युरिटी, तशेंच बायलेन सेक्युरिटी आनी जायत्यो वेवस्था. ह्यो पावटीक सगळ्यांनी म्हाका सांगलां, जायत्या लोकांनी म्हाका म्हणलां फादर 10 वर्सां आदीं आनी ताच्या आदीं जाल्ल्या ताचेहून ह्या वर्साक अदीक बरे भाशेन सगळी मांडावळ केल्या. सगळे वाटेन, सेक्युरिटी वाटेन, ट्रान्सपोर्ट वाटेन, मागीर क्लिनिंगाचें, टॉयलेटिंगाचें, वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट, लायटींग सिस्टम, सगळें हे पावटीक बरें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर केलां म्हूण. आनी खरें म्हळ्यार ह्या बाबतीन आमी सरकाराक दिनवासता, कित्याक डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हाच्या लिडरशिपा खाल ह्या सरकारान आनीक कमिशनर आमचो संदीप जाकीस हाचे काल मार्गदर्शना खाल ही एकदम बरे भाशेन मांडावळ केल्या. सरकारान खूब सहकार्य दिला आमकां हें करपाक. कॅथेड्रलाचो पादविगार कसो हांव ताका दिनवासतां आनी तुमकां सगळ्यांक सपोर्ट करतल्यांक पब्लिकाक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
कितले म्हयने अशें लागले तुमकां फूल अशें हें करपाक, इव्हेंट मॅनेज करपाक?
आमी चर्चीचे वाटेन जायत्यो मिटिंगे केल्यो. 2 वर्सां मायजूच आमच्यो मिटिंगे चलताल्यो, पूण मागीर सरकाराचे वाटेन आमी थोडेच मातशे हें आसले, चिंतेस्त आसले, इन द सेन्स ती हाय पावर्ड कमिटी लेट केल्या, पूण सरकाराचे सिस्टम इन प्लेस आहा म्हणटूच त्यांची रोखडेंच मुवमेंट जाता तो मागीर. तें आमकां तितलें समजोंक ना. हांव लास्ट हेतून कमिटीन नासलो 10 वर्सां आदीं, देखून म्हाका तें समजोंक ना. सो म्हाका मातसो हुस्को जाल्लो कॅथेड्रलाचो पादविगार कसो, आरे हें बेगीन जातलें, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वील बी इन प्लेस, कितें जातलें. पूण जेन्ना हाय पावर्ड कमिटी इस्टॅब्लीश केली आमच्या CMन आनी मागीर कमिशनरान मिटिंग्यो कॉमेस करूंक लागल्यो, तेन्ना तांची मशिनरी इतली फास्ट गेली की पावसांनी मातशें आडकूळ हाडली, थोडे कामां मातशी उरली तांची. पूण नव्यो टॉयलेटी बांदल्यो, लोकांक रावपाक पिलग्रीम सेंटर्स बांदले, आनी रोड आनी सगळे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इतलो फास्ट केलो तेणें हे माटो घातले कितले लोकांक वेवस्था बरी केल्या हे पावटी सावळेंतल्यान मांडावळीन उदकाक वाटेन क्लिनिंगा वाटेन सरकारान एकदम बरें केलां म्हणटच तांचें सिस्टमूच तशें म्हूण म्हाका तें खबर नासली एकदम बरें जालें तांचें
better things that happen even without planning. And that is the intervention of God, I would say.
सोकली संगती देवाची काकृती
Please, आपल्या प्रकाशान उसळायका तुम्ही विश्वासान तसो वाटाव करता तो तुमच्या भावा भयणीक
We are satisfied and we are very, very happy that the task that was entrusted to us as a committee under the leadership of Father Henry Falcao has been, today it has come to an end. I feel relieved, I feel happy, and I feel satisfied, and there is a deep sense of contentment deep inside me. This will be one of my most memorable experiences, memorable days that I have spent with the exposition committee members, with the government officials, with the volunteers, with everybody who have worked tirelessly to make this exposition a spiritual experience and a successful exposition in all respects. You can talk of it in terms of the planning, the meticulous planning, the execution, and the way we have brought it to an end. First, we started it with a solemn, grand procession, and today also there was a grand final closing procession that culminated in the Eucharistic celebration. We are grateful to each and every person, especially our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. We are grateful to the Vice Chairmen, Alex Sequeira and Marvin Gudino. We are very, very indebted to the Commissioner, Mr. Sandeep Jacks,
and all the government functionaries, the functional heads, everybody who have worked. We are also grateful to people who have worked behind the curtains. There have been so many people who have worked behind the curtains. Their names are not taken, they are not seen anywhere, but they have made a huge difference to the working of this exposition. We are grateful, we are indebted, and we owe a lot to so many people who have made this happen for us.
At the outside you had made a target around 3 to 9 million people visiting. So, did that was that met or was it beyond that?
Certainly, we have met the target. I think so. If I'm not wrong, few days back, the minister, the vice chairman, had made a categorical statement that we have had 75 lakh people visiting us. I think that number has come very, very close to 80 lakhs people at the close of the exposition. I think we have got there. Our targets are achieved, but that was not very important for us. The task assigned to us was to make sure that people have a wonderful experience, that the facilities were on par with world standards, and this had to, remain intact for 45 days. And we had to make sure that in a safe manner, in a secure manner, the body, the relics, the sacred relics that were taken to the Say Cathedral had to be handed back to the Basilica Committee headed by Father Remedios and administrated by Father Patricio. So our job ends here when we see the sacred relics of Saint Francis Xavier safely inside the mausoleum of the Basilica.
Exposition concluded today and everything. So yours here.
Well, my say is simple. The exposition concluded today, as you rightly said, with Saint Francis Xavier. We will continue to look after Goa, protect Goa, and guide us. The exposition over doesn't mean that he has come to an end. He's here and he will guide us and strengthen all of us. His message of peace, joy, and love, I think, has a lot of meaning, and it should be our duty, our responsibility, to try and spread this message all over Goa, Karnataka, other neighboring states, from wherever pilgrims have come.
I think this exposition has been excellently managed. I give compliment, politics apart, I give compliment to Honorable Minister Alish Sikera, Sandeep Jacques, the Commissioner, Father Henry Falcao, and the entire team which worked day and night, because I know that there were meetings and what they were doing. There are also security arrangements which had to be made. It's not just what we see here. And I'm glad that people who came got a chance for veneration. Senior citizens, the people who have handicapped or disabled people or differently abled people, they also had a very special this thing which was made for them. Access, like I would say, barrier free, what we call. And I think this kind of a thing reflects the ethos of Goa. This kind of a culture which we have of a communal harmony resonates not just in our houses but across the entire state and people from even beyond. And I wish that we have this spirit of communal harmony, revering our Goinso Sahib, because don't forget Goinso Sahib is our protector of Goa, and for this reason I once again wish everybody a very happy closing ceremony, and I wish Goinso Sahib protects us. And once again, without mincing words, I congratulate the team headed by Alice Sikera, Sandeep Jacques and Father Henry Falcao for this brilliant work in the exposition opening and closing. Thank you.
Greetings to all. My name is Presley Braganza. I was a volunteer at the PWD counter. So the experience over there was really good. So all these days we had lovely people. We were very fortunate to serve the elderlies and smoothen their process of this veneration. All the buggies, the e-rickshaws, everything, the wheelchairs helped us. The volunteers were very kind-hearted. Some of them were there for 12 hours also, and then helping the other volunteers in the main line. So we were very fortunate to have the elderlies. We got many blessings and many smiles, many warm wishes. The elderlies blessings are the most important thing that we can get, because we are serving people who are very blessed. We are very blessed to have them, and all the volunteers were very kind. I'm very thankful for all the volunteers for doing the hard work. Whatever days they were here, they worked very hard, sincerely very hard. And on behalf of all the volunteers at PWD, I would like to apologize if we were not able to serve you all, but we did try from our end. We did try to the best. Have a great year ahead. Thank you all.
Hi, my name is Joel Mendonça and I am from Arambol. I was there in the subcommittee of Exposition Committee in charge of volunteering. So the 45 days experience was tremendous. We got good response. There were almost 1,200 volunteers from the age group of 15, that was the youngest one, and maybe 70 plus, that was the oldest one. And we worked together. No, we didn't discriminate because of the age or whatever, caste, creed or gender, but we worked together, and it was a tremendous and a good experience. And we didn't had any difficulty. We managed it smoothly and it went good. Yeah, I was volunteering for the first time, and I was there in the subcommittee for the first time.